They said there is peace.
You think?
You ever say this, Daddy? Brother, be a God, you know? And that is the Blue Lagoon we have there. You know? Blue Lagoon, Jamaica. Where the moon gone?
Take that round into the water. She's scared.
Have no fear, princess. Love is right there.
Oh, you know so well. 12 versus US.
Ready to get the shots on. Look clear.
Too much.
Beauty is in the sight of the beholder.
And we got it to see right here, the vastness, the sweet, sweet, sweet sea. And the sea connects to the ocean. From the sea to the ocean, into the mountains, on the treetop, through the valley. And that we are the we are trapped. Love is kind. Nature is love.
Watch somebody got him nose.
Thank you for the journey, brother.
Good night.
Eh?
Good evening, everyone.
Peace and love.
Nice.
Yeah, this is where Tom Cruise stay when him shot the movie Tom Cruise.
Yeah? Okay.
Monkey Island.
Yeah, that's Monkey Island.
So there's like what's on the island?
Just a little beach.
You just go and hang out.
Like when people want to go snorkeling, they
Oh.
live there and leave them. They spend a couple of times.
Lots of colorful fish.
You know, Jamaica, don't know.
Okay. That's good.
Jaja, my dear. That's why it's Jamaica. Jamaica.
Yeah, you look nice.
Jamaica. 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 Jamaica.